Homeowners consider selling for a variety of reasons: needing more space, downsizing, relocating for work, or seeking a lifestyle change. It's important to evaluate your financial situation, the current real estate market, and your personal goals. Selling a home involves more than just putting a for sale sign in the yard. With the right preparation and professional guidance, selling your home can be a smooth and successful experience. Here's a clear breakdown of the home selling process from start to close. In the early phase of preparation, assess your home's condition. Whether or not you're confident in the condition of the home, a pre-inspection on the property can either give us professional third-party validation or reveal issues you should attend to before listing your property. Issues a buyer inspection could surface later, making them part of the final price negotiation. Next, calculate your equity. Determine the amount of your mortgage that needs to be paid off from the sale. Last but not least, hire a real estate agent, a professional who can guide you through the process, handle paperwork, and market your property effectively. The market decides how much your home is worth. The factors that will affect the price of your home are recent home sales in the area, location and condition of your property, and competition. Prospective buyers are going to compare your property to other listings in and around your neighborhood. Your realtor can help you understand recent comparable sales and current market trends so that you can set a competitive asking price. When selling your home, it's important to know how much you will walk away with after the sale. Your net proceeds are calculated by factoring in remaining mortgage balance, agent commissions, closing costs, prorated property taxes or homeowner association fees, and any agreed upon seller credits or repairs. This gives you a clear picture of your expected profit and helps you plan your next move with confidence. Once you have set the asking price, prepare your home for photographs. Declutter, deep clean, and depersonalize. Consider staging for best presentation. Your realtor will then create a listing with detailed information about your home, including photos, descriptions, and amenities. Also, they will market your property utilizing online platforms, social media, and other marketing channels to reach potential buyers. Be prepared for showings and open houses, as they both are key tools to get your home seen and sold faster. Showings are private appointments where potential buyers tour your home. It's important to keep the home clean and ready to show at any time to attract serious buyers. An open house is a scheduled event where multiple buyers can view your home during a set time. It creates buzz and can lead to quicker offers by generating more interest. With successful marketing, you will start to receive offers. Carefully consider all offers and be prepared to negotiate price, terms, and any contingencies in the offer. Once you and the buyer agree to the terms and sign the offer, it becomes a legally binding contract. At this stage, the buyer submits the earnest money deposit, which is held in the escrow until closing day. If home inspection is one of the contingencies in the contract, the buyer will hire a licensed inspector to evaluate the home's condition. This may lead to repair requests or price negotiations. Next, the lender will order an appraisal of the home. A home appraisal is a professional assessment of a property's market value conducted by a licensed appraiser. It is typically required by lenders before approving a mortgage to ensure the home is worth the price. Once all the contingencies are removed and the buyer's loan is approved, the sale moves towards closing. You may be asked to provide access for the final walkthrough. A walkthrough is a buyer's final inspection of the property before closing to ensure it's in the agreed upon condition. Start packing and make arrangements for your move before this day. On the day of closing, sign final paperwork at the title or escrow office. Hand over keys to the new owner and collect payment. Pay off mortgage, agent commissions, and closing costs. Celebrate the success of your home sale. Selling your home is a major milestone, one that comes with a mix of emotions, decisions, and moving parts. By understanding the steps involved and working with a knowledgeable real estate professional, you can navigate the process with confidence and ease. If you're looking to sell in Virginia Beach or nearby cities, call or text me for a free consultation. Subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and insights. Thanks for watching.